गोंय सरकारान 11 जूनाक 186 पंचायतीच्या 1522 वॉर्डांनी वेंचणुको घेवपाचो निर्णय घेतला अशी माहिती पंचायत मंत्री मॉविन गुदिन्हो हांणी दिल्या। अंदू 32 नवीन वॉर्ड तयार जाल्यात। राखीवता आनी डिलिमिटेशनाची प्रक्रिया पुराय जाल्या अशें तांणी मुखार सांगलां। RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The government has decided to hold the elections to 186 village panchayats on the 11th of June. Fresh delimitation has been done and a new village panchayat, that is KLOC, in Kortalim constituency has been formed. The new panchayat has been formed. So that's why you have 186. 32 new wards there is an increase, and in two cases the numbers have increased in terms of members of So what I simply mean to say is we have taken minutely every representation received into consideration. As you know, Panchayat somehow affect almost everybody, more than 60%. And since it affects everybody, everybody does have a view nowadays, and a strong view. As it happens in a democracy, you can't satisfy 100% everyone. You can't formulate a policy which will satisfy everyone. But most important is we have tried to factor in everybody's view, everybody's opinion, everybody's opinion in a manner which will augur well for a smooth conduct of the elections, which will throw new faces at the grassroots level. And as you know, there is also reservation for ladies. It's already there. There is nothing new in that. What is new as far as we are concerned is that SC is getting representation in different parts of Goa in 9 different panchayats. So that's the most significant part. In fact, my good friend broke the news about the 11th June, but I think breaking news should be a reservation for SC community, which was a long standing demand. 1/3 reservation for ladies in a 5-member panchayat. 1 and 3 is for ladies. In a 7-member panchayat,
3 and 4.
it is 3 and 4. And in a 9-member, 3, 5, 8. Okay? And in a 11-member panchayat, it is either 1, 2, 5, 8 or 1, 3, 5, 8. Wherever it was 2 last time, it has become 3 this time. So it is by rotation, it has moved forward. See, reservation, whether it is going to be ST, SC or OBC, it depends on the population that exists in that particular ward. Don't forget that we have to go as per the population of 2011 census. So we are going as per 2011 census figures.